Hello, today's recipe is for crunchy crumbed mushrooms. This healthy snack is oil-free and cooked in the air fryer or in the oven. To crumb the mushrooms, you'll need 3 bowls. The first with a cup of flour, plus half a teaspoon of salt, pepper and chili powder. Then give that a stir. In the second bowl, add 1/4 cup of cornflour and then whisk in a cup of plant milk. In the third bowl is simply a cup of breadcrumbs. To crumb the mushrooms, place them in the flour, shake off the excess, the milk, the flour again, the milk again, and then into the breadcrumbs until crumbs like this. Now place in the air fryer basket or on an oven tray and then repeat with all of the mushrooms. Now place the crumb mushrooms in the oven or air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Cook for 25 minutes or until golden brown, turning halfway through so they cook evenly. Serve hot with your favourite dipping sauce. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. 2 more of my vegan recipe videos are here.